So Abdullah, there's so many tools out there. How do I adopt an organization to find the best and use those?
Right. So this is a question that I really like. So there is one thing to have an observability strategy to collect data, have actionable insights, and then it is a completely other thing to actually embed that in your organization, where people or the services or the people that using those tools, they do not find those tools as a hindrance to their development process. So essentially, you have to work towards removing organizational friction that comes in with the introduction of every new tool. For example, a developer or even a DevOps team or even a FinOps team for that matter, if we say that, okay, you have to use these tools to implement your cost control or observability strategies, it becomes a challenge to, from a human element, to talk about those things, that what are the workflows that are painless and frictionless that would not contribute to adding more stress or more workload to those folks. And at the same time, you have to control your costs as well. So the best way in my experience is essentially working with customers and working with Fortune 500s is that you have to really set this culture and get the required mentality infused that this is something that is really important. That means the right amount of adequate trainings, the right amount of workflows, the right amount of benefits that you actually get through these cost savings, and what are some of the implications that if you do not do these things that can come in. So building mechanisms and observation strategies is one thing. The adoption of those mechanisms and the workflows to actually get the results that you really want, which in this case is cost reduction, is something that requires deeper thought, deeper collaboration among teams to reduce that friction and ultimately implement that strategy.